mind my outfits today because I just want to like look formal at the same time look homeless. So that's the look I'm actually going for. And I've been creating content on this on YouTube for like 5 years now, but not like every time. I don't post every time like that, but if you calculated from the time I posted my first video till now, it's been 5 years. And I realized I haven't even like done a proper introduction. So yeah, this is a proper introduction to Who is Kiola, which is the new name. So it will be changing from WKND, which was weekend, to Who is Kiola, but it won't be like a full change. I'll still leave some stuff on there. Maybe when we reach like 1k subs, I'll like probably change it properly. So yeah, a little bit about me is my name is Ola, but I like people calling me Kiola, and I'm a computer science student from Queen Mary. I just graduated from Queen Mary. And during my free time, what do I do? Free time? I play tennis and I code. So right now, I made a video of my desk setup. So if you want to watch it, you could like check it out. But what's behind me right now is just my workstation. And yeah, I don't know what else. What else am I going to say? Graduated Queen Mary. I like playing tennis. I like coding, bro. That's basically everything about me. Nothing really like fancy, to be honest. But yeah, this is just like proper introduction to introduce myself properly to you guys, and yeah, it should be short one. So with time you get to know me more. Cause right now me too, I don't even really know a lot about myself, to be honest. I'm still like knowing myself. Anyway, I would appreciate if you like subscribe to the channel, because we are trying to like reach 5k subs by the end of this year. So we are putting in the work, we are locking in this year, and yeah, see you in the next video.